Hi, my name's Nicola Furmston and I'm a solicitor in the family team at Kerseys. And I'm making this short video to tell you about a great new online tool that you can find on our website called Settify. If you are finding yourself in a situation of family breakdown, whether you live with somebody or you're married to somebody, you're probably really worried about that situation, and often these worries can feel really overwhelming. Well, if you've been on our website, you'll have seen our Settify online tool, which allows you to input information into our system so that it's saved and it's sent to us so that we can work out from the information that you have given us what advice you need in order to get your life back on track. So on our website, as it says, it's free, completely free to fill in our Settify online document. It's instant. You can do it there and then. That means that if you wake up in the middle of the night with those worries and they feel overwhelming, you can get them out of your head, into our system, ready for us to review in the morning. It's personalised, so it's a really clever tool. It wants to find out about you individually and what your specific worries and concerns are. And you'll find it'll give you some helpful information. When we see your document in the morning, we'll be able to fully assess your situation and make sure that you get the right advice in an appointment that's tailored to you. We can do digital appointments, we can do personal appointments in the office when government regulations allow us to do so. And when we see you, we'll have all that vital information to make sure that we can take some of your worries and concerns away and steer you as to the right steps to take in order to get your life back on track. I hope that helps. Any worries and concerns, do fill in that online tool or telephone our office or use our chat service on our website to make sure that we can help you as soon as possible.